Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to hide notification on your iPhone lock screen in iOS 16.1. Apple in iOS 16 had made many welcome changes to the iPhone lock screen, including adding a wealth of customization option, introducing widget for the first time. The way notifications show up also has changed, and you can now choose how they appear on your lock screen and even hide them altogether to be revealed by you with a tap. Due to the lock screen changes, notifications in iOS 16 are displayed at the bottom of the screen and are stacked on top of one another by default, but they don't have to remain stacked if you don't want them to. It's possible to set them appear in a traditional list format, or you can have them display simply as a number that you can tap and reveal notification waiting for you. So open your iPhone setting, then go to notifications. Then as you can see display as, you can simply click on count. So by choosing this count, there you will get the number notification and it will reveal only by you when you tap on them. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.